Hi everyone, today I will be making black raspberry and vanilla. I know a lot of people have made this fragrance before, but it does smell really nice and the vanilla content does not discolour your soap. And I think it does accelerate just a fraction, so I might be careful with that. I've got my hard and soft oils that I've melted down and my goat's milk, distilled water and caustic soda solution that I did in my sink. So I'm just going to pour that in right now. The temperature of my lye solution was around 36 degrees and my hard and soft oils that I've melted down were about 40 degrees. I've combined those, they're sitting around 39, which is 102 degrees Fahrenheit. Now I'm just going to give these a very light stick blend. About all. It hasn't got to trace at all, which is fine because I do want to mix the colours in. So my red is red mica from my Mica obsession. I have put that with a little bit of olive oil, and the contrasting colour I have used from my Mica obsession Nimbus, but I have put just a tiny bit of activated charcoal just to make it look a little bit darker. And then I'll be having a component that is titanium dioxide, which I have mixed up here. And I'm just planning on doing a drop swirl with most of the mixture being white. So we'll divide that up now. As we know, titanium dioxide can accelerate a little bit, but I am going to do that first and then put my colours in over the top. So just pour that in. And give these a blast. I have got my fragrance already measured out and I'll be putting some into that. And the rest I'm going to pop in here anyway. It's still a fairly good consistency. It hasn't accelerated too much. So I've got my silicone mould. I wasn't really planning on leaving any of the white for the top. I think I might just go for a dark top on it. So we'll get all of this out. I'm going to give that a good bang down. Now to get onto these ones. I started to set up a little bit already in this. And then I'll put that into the grey one. And hopefully you can see that. it goes. Just going to give that a bang down. And I'll put grey down one side. Might just put a little bit more of that. Oops. And the red. Now I'm going to give this a good bang down and just wipe the edges. I've got a little bit of mixture down the side of my mould. Now hopefully that's set up enough to do a texture on the top, and I will bring you in a little bit closer so you can see me doing that. Hopefully that's close enough that everyone can see. I'm just going to do a texture on the top. And I'll bring you in for a closer look. Now I'll just leave this on the bench top for about 24 hours. Goat's milk does get quite hot, so I'm going to keep an eye on this, and also give it a light spray with alcohol just to stop any soda ash. But I do a water discount, so I don't normally get a soda ash on top. And we'll be back for the cut. See you then. Hi everyone, I'm back to cut the black raspberry and vanilla goat's milk soap. It's been just over 48 hours. This was a little bit softer than what I thought it would be, but we'll see what the inside's like. Now I've marked off my intervals at around 1 inch, and I'm just using my Mica box and a knife, and hopefully the inside will be quite nice. I really like this fragrance, the black raspberry and vanilla, and if you've enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up or subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.